Hello dear student, myself Professor V.M. Mahajan. Today we are going to learn the numerical on tension member. The problem or statement is with us. Determine the design tensile strength of the plate. 120 mm by 8 mm size is given. That is 120 mm by thickness is 8 mm. So 60 plus 30 plus 30 is total 120 mm by 8 mm. Dimension for the plate is given. Connected to 12 mm thick gusset plate with bolt holes as shown in figure. So this is gusset plate is given of 12 mm in size. 12 mm in size, and connection which is made in the two rows of 3 bolts in each rows. 1, 2, 3 in one rows, 1, 2, 3 in another rows. Then the yield strength and ultimate strength of the steel used are 250 MPa, 400 MPa. The diameter of the bolt here we are going to use, that is 16 mm. Then dealing with the solution, first note down the given data. We know that diameter of the bolt is 16 mm is given. Then find out the diameter of hole, that is 16 plus 2 mm is a clearance, that is diameter of hole. D0 is equal to 18 mm. Then start dealing with the solution. TD is nothing but the design tensile strength is calculated based on the following criteria. So the criteria first is known as a gross section yield. Gross section yield, that is TDG, where G is a stands for gross, D is a design, and S stands for strength. So TDG value or equation is equal to AG into Fy, that is gross sectional area, into yield strength of that material Fy divided by gamma m0 partial safety factor. Then we know that how we are going to find out the gross area for this particular plate. So dimensions of this plate is given 120 mm by 8 mm. If you multiply the 120 by 8, we get the 960 mm square is the area for this plate. So substitute the all values in our equation. So therefore TDG is equal to gross area is 960, Fy is 250 is given, and divided by gamma m0 partial safety factor is 1.10. So TDG value is equal to 218.18 kilonewton. Then after determining the first step, that is gross section yielding, next step is to determine the net section rupture. So what is meant by net section rupture? That is TDN value is equal to 0.9 times of AN, that is net area into Fu divided by gamma m1. Where we know that diameter of the board is 16 mm and diameter of the hole 16 plus 2 is total is 18 mm diameter of hole. Then first target to determine the value of net area for this particular plate. So 60 mm is the pitch of this bolt, where 30 and 30 these are the end as well as end edge distances. End and edge distances, that is 30 and 30 is given from both sides. Then how we are going to find out the net area? Then width of the plate is given, that is 120 mm, that is 60 plus 30 plus 30 is 120, minus 2 into 18, where 2 number of bolts are there. Here 1, 2 means this section we are going to taking vertical. So there are 2 bolts in a one column. So there are 2 number of bolts multiply diameter of hole, that is 18 mm. Bracket comes into 8 is the thickness of this plate, where 120 by 8 mm is the plate size is given. So total calculation for this net area is 672 mm square. So that is TDN is equal to 0.9 into 672 into 400 Newton per mm square, and partial safety factor for this 1.25 according to table number 5, page number 30, that is IS 800 2007. So TDN value will be the 193.54 we got kilonewton. Then next criteria that we are going to check, that is block shear failure. We know that when block shear failure we are going to consider, so at particular this section means here this dotted line we have shown in the figure, means first bolt is fully covered, second is also there, but according to the whatever the tension here we are going to create, means from this edge of this plate to outermost bolt center, so this area is called as a shear area, and from this bolt to this bolt or in vertical direction, this area is called as a tension area and this is called as a shear area. So that we have considered the block shear from this edge to center of outermost bolt, that is one bolt is half radius, half, then it is whatever the last third number bolt is, the radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Again this is the mirror image which is given of the bottom side. Then find out the gross design strength, that is TDC of connection shall be taken as a smaller or minimum of TDB1 and TDB2. Already we have studied this in previous lecture. So what is meant by TDB1 and TDB2? So TDB1 is equal to AVG, where A stands for area, V stands for shear and G stands for gross, means gross shear area. How we are going to find out the gross shear area? Gross shear area, where again into Fy divided by under root 3 into gamma m0 plus 0.9 into ATN. So what is here? ATN, that is net tension area along vertical plane into Fu divided by gamma m1, or TDB2 is equal to 0.9 into AVL. Again N stands for net, V stands for shear and A stands for area. Net shear area into Fu divided by under root 3 into gamma m1 plus ATG, that is cross tension area, into Fy divided by gamma m0. So we are going to find out the first AVG, that is gross shear area. So how we are going to consider or note down the gross shear area? We know that, so shear is always taking place from this edge to outermost bolt, means 30 mm plus 60 plus 60. Up to this we will get the answer is 150 is the length for this plate. So 150 into thickness of this plate is 8, and this may happens twice from this side also this. So it is multiplied 2. So total answer will be the 2400 mm square. Then after determining the gross shear area, next we have to find out the net shear area. So how we are going to find out the net shear area? We know that this distance is 150, means 30 plus 60 plus 60. So 120 plus 30 is 150. So 150 minus here the bolt is under the block is full diameter, that is one bolt is completed. Here is also second, but block is takes place at this third number of column of this bolt. So this diameter of the bolt, which we have to consider half of that or 0.5. So one is completed, second is there, means number of 2 bolts plus half of this third bolt, means the value will be the 2.5. Multiply 18 mm is the diameter of hole, diameter of the bolt plus 2 mm clearance. So diameter of hole is 18 mm, bracket complete, into thickness of plate is 8 mm, bracket complete, into 2. So these things we have to consider twice, because this bolts are placed in double rows. So total net area 1680 mm square. This is gross area. Gross area 2400 and net is 1680 mm square. Then similarly, so this is under the tension. So here gross tension area ATG. How we are going to find out? So this is under the tension area, means whatever the pitch is given between any two bolts, that is 60 mm, multiply thickness of the plate is at mm, means 60 plus at 480 mm square is a gross tension area. Then next we have to find out the net tension area, that is ATL, is equal to 60 mm is the pitch distance minus how many number of bolts we are going to consider. So this is under the tension area. So this column of this bolt we are going to consider, not these things we are going to consider, only this outermost bolt. Then here, which comes under the half of this bolt value, again here half of this, means 0.5 plus 0.5, means total is 1 number of bolt. So 0.5 plus 0.5 means 1 into diameter of the hole is 18 mm. Bracket complete into thickness of the plate is 8 mm. Means this total calculation is B into T, that is area mm square. So how much value will be there? 336 area mm square is the area for this net. So after determining these four values, by knowing the value of gamma m1 is 1.25, gamma m0 is 1.1, and Fe will be the value which is given, that is 400 MPa or Newton per mm square. By knowing, after knowing these values, all values we are going to substitute in TdB1 and TdB2. So find out the value of TdB1 is 411.69 kilonewton. Then TdB2 is 388.44 kilonewton. So hence, after determining the value of TdB1 and TdB2, here we have mentioned, so TdG value we are going to consider as a smaller of TdB1 or TdB2. Here 388.44 kilonewton is a TdB value, or we can write down the as it is, that is TdB2. Hence, design tensile strength, that is TD, is a list of all three criteria of values. That is list of TDG value. TDG is 218.18 kilonewton. TDN, that is 193.54 kilonewton, and last TdB value is 388.44. So out of these three values, so which value is a minimum or smaller? That is design tensile strength TD is equal to TDN 193.54 kilonewton will be the smaller value. So this is a detailed solution of this design strength of list of these values, that is TDG, TDN and TDB. So one thing is very important in this numerical, because we are dealing with the tension member. So there are mainly two types of numerical is asked. First type of numerical is analysis of structure. So we are dealing with the cross section is given, and with the help of cross section we are going to find out the design strength of value. This is the first numerical known as the analysis of section. Then second type of numerical which is asked, that is design of the section, design based section. In case of this, the load or force is given, means this value will be the given. From that we are going to find out the cross sectional area, means we are going to find out the this value, that is ADN, ABG, ATG, ABN, ABG and ATN. So these are basically two types of problem. So one of these we have studied the analysis type of numerical or problem, where dimension or the cross section is given. From that we have calculated the force or load, that is TD or TDL value 193.54 kilonewton. Thank you.